They told you women were delicate like glass. Treat her like a queen. They said you believed them. You gave her your best. You gave her your heart. And every time you were left broken until you discovered the truth no one dares to say. She doesn't fall in love with the man who worships her. She falls for the man she cannot control. In her world, pain is not the enemy of love. It is the fuel that feeds it. And if you avoid giving her that small necessary sting, she will never truly respect you. Today I will show you the kind of pain that makes her addicted without ever being cruel. If you can handle this truth, keep watching, because once you see it, you will never look at women the same way again. Why being perfect fails. The perfect gentleman might look impressive from the outside, but in reality, he is the easiest man for a woman to forget. Not because kindness is bad, but because for many men, their kindness is not real strength. It hides something weaker underneath. Fear of upsetting her, fear of making her angry, fear of losing her. And women can sense that fear the same way a wolf can smell blood. When you agree with her about everything, when you avoid even the smallest disagreement, when you change yourself into whatever she wants, you think you're being loving, but in her mind, you're showing something else, that you have no backbone. And a man with no backbone cannot keep a woman's respect for long. Here's the truth no one tells you. Women don't truly fall for the man who bends to every request. They might enjoy the attention for a while. They might even take advantage of what you give. But deep down they know that a man who cannot say no to them cannot protect them from the world. Why? Because life will bring moments when a man must stand firm against other people, against problems, against danger. If you can't hold your ground with the woman you love, how will you stand strong when real pressure comes? This is why being perfect in her eyes often fails. The more you try to please her in every way, the more predictable you become. And the more predictable you are, the less she feels real attraction. Attraction needs opposites. It needs challenge. It needs her to feel she cannot completely control you. The man who stands firm, calm, without anger sends a silent message. I care for you, but I will not break myself just to please you. That is the man she remembers. That is the man she respects. That is the man she will fight to keep. Pain is the fuel of desire. Real attraction does not grow in a world of constant comfort. It is born in moments of tension, in the space between wanting something and not being sure you can have it. When there is no tension between you and her, when every interaction is smooth, predictable, and completely safe, she loses the reason to fight for you. She might still enjoy your company, but deep inside, she won't crave you. Human emotions form their deepest bonds, not in total comfort, but in challenge. Think about the times in your life when something truly mattered. It was never the thing you got without effort.